Hello, dear students. Hope you all are well. Myself, Gaganpreet Kaur, your FMM teacher. Today, in this video, I'm going to discuss with you that why one should choose FMM, career opportunities available and benefits available while with the subject. What is the scope of pursuing FMM and what does FMM means to you? Before I start with, I want to tell you about additional weightage up to 5%. It is a percentage that at the time of taking admission in few university, you will get an extra 5% weightage over and above the marks scored. Like if you scored 75% marks in 12th standard with FMM as a subject, then your marks will be counted as 80% for admissions. Now, why to have a career in these financial markets? In most of the professions, there is a retirement age. But in this profession, that is, if you are working in the financial markets, there is no retirement age. You can work and earn till the age you want to. Even in the conditions like lockdown, you can continue your earnings. Secondly, it requires portable skill, which is in your mind, and nobody can steal it, like no theft, no transfer, no obsolescence. Like if you have any secret in your mind, nobody can steal it or copy it. And in this job, there are no transfers. Thirdly, you can work from home, you can work from your office, you can work full time, you can work part time as per your convenience. It is a lifelong learning opportunity. The more you devote, the more you can earn. Your income is not dependent upon your age. Like we are in the 21st century, it is a 21st century job opportunity by using internet. Now, what is the scope of financial management skills? If you have financial management skills, you can work in multiple sectors like banks, insurance, equity, commodity, etc. About investors, in India we have more than 3 crore investors, which means we have a huge scope for the growth. More than 22 lakh crore have been invested in MFS. We have more than 1700 FII. What does FII means? FII stands for Foreign Institutional Investors, which means foreign companies are investing in India. In India, we have 3 lakh plus millionaire working in this field, which is a very good sign. That means you can also earn in millions. Now, just let me answer one thing very, very important. Why are you studying? Because you want to get good jobs. So, this is the subject which can actually help you to earn what you want. This will provide you the real practical knowledge which will be very helpful for your future. So, here are the few sectors in which you can get good job opportunities like banks, mutual funds, investment consultancies, broker firms, insurance companies, merchant bankers, pension funds, financial institutions, custodians, depository participants, commodity markets, credit rating agencies, knowledge processing outsourcing, and business processing outsourcing. Now, can anybody tell me, is there any sector relating to finance which is left out? I think no, which means this subject can pay you the maximum in your future. Now, I would like to share some basic knowledge regarding the subject about FMM. FMM stands for Financial Market Management. Now, what do you understand by the term market? You all might have heard about that market is rising, market is falling. Which market we are talking about here? Is it the market which you visit to get your daily needs? No, the answer is no. The term used here is the stock market, or we can say financial market. Financial market is a market which provides a mechanism by which your savings are transformed into the investments. It plays a significant role in economic growth of any country by mobilizing the surplus funds and utilizing them effectively for the productive purposes. Let me explain this to you in a layman language. If you keep home the savings you make, they will not earn any interest for you, nor will contribute anything to the growth of a country. But if you invest them in any of the financial instruments like bank FDs, mutual funds, insurance policy, you can earn. Also, all the funds invested by you in these institutions are used for the productive activities. These financial institutions in which you invest, they further invest them in financial market. Now, how to make schemes and collect the money from general public like us, and how and where to invest in the market like financial market, it is the job of the financial analyst. And you can do the job of the financial analyst by going through this subject FMM. Now, what is the meaning of, yeah, or we can say, who is a financial analyst? A financial analyst is someone who makes business recommendations for an organization based upon the analysis they carry out on the factors like market trends, the financial status of a company, and the predicted outcomes of a certain type of deal. And now I would like to have a word with you about online certification program, which is also a software N Smart. It is an online program introduced by CBSE. Under this program, each student will be given an ID and password. You will be able to do transactions virtually on the same mechanism as a real agent can do so. Through this, you will come to know how the market works and how the trading is done. Now, I'm sharing with you what we are going to study in the future. This is the index of the subject, which tells about markets and financial instruments, primary and secondary markets, financial statement analysis, about mutual funds, about ETFs, that is known as exchange traded funds, and about taxation and regulations regarding taxation upon the financial market. Hope you all have got to know the importance of the subject for your future. Thank you.